Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Razr 60, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock this phone without password. Okay, but let's discuss a few things. First thing is, only unlock your devices. Don't do it with other people's phones because that's a crime and that's unethical. Only unlock your devices. Second thing is that we need to perform the factory reset in recovery mode and we will lose everything. I'm sorry, but that's the only method. Everything will be erased, all data. Third thing is that after the reset, when we get to the setup process, the phone will want to verify us. Or by drawing or typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we don't remember it. But there is a second thing, a second option to verify that we are a user, and it's signing in to the Google account into which we are signed in on this phone before the reset. So have that in mind, that you will have to sign in to Google account to be able to use the phone again. Okay, now once everything is discussed, we can go. We have the screen lock, we don't remember the password, and now what to do? We need to power off the device, but we won't be able to do it normally because if you click the power key and volume up and then click on power off, it says that we still need to draw the pattern to turn it off. Don't worry, we can force restart the device, and then during the force restart we just gotta start holding the power key and volume down. To perform the force restart we need to hold power key and volume up until the screen turns off. Then switch the combination for power key and volume down. Now, and then Fastboot menu will appear, just like that. Using volume keys we need to find recovery mode and then click power key to confirm. Okay, currently it says no comment. We just gotta hold the power key and then click on volume up. Now we are in recovery. Use volume down to find wipe data / factory reset, and in here we also have notification and the alert. That's the thing that I was talking about in the beginning, that if your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. It says that you'll need to type email address and password to Google account, not your screen lock. So now we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button. Again, select factory data reset, confirm. Keep waiting. Data wipe complete, we can see it on the bottom, and then select Reboot System Now and confirm by clicking the power button. Now simply wait until your phone turns on, and then you'll see the setup process on the screen. You'll have to go through it, and then you'll have to sign in to your Google account to be able to use the phone again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.